Remember, take your deep breath. Front foot goes up. And remember, forward. That's it. Yeah!
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, Chi?
Hey, Josh.
How you doing?
Good.
Good, man. Okay, so let's work on some drop-ins.
Okay,
Sound good?
Make it.
All right, cool, let's do it. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start by putting our back foot on the skateboard. Okay, heels and toes matching. Front foot goes up just behind the front bolts. Remember, try not to pass the front bolts, okay? This is very important. That way you don't tip on the nose and slam on your face. So, start to lean your head over your front foot, leaning, stomp down, and then let your body bend down and use your legs as shocks to absorb the impact. That way it's not a rigid landing. When you stomp down, you don't go like that, okay? I want you to stomp down and then bend down into a press, okay? For a nice gentle cushioned landing. Good, perfect. Easy?
Yeah.
Awesome. Wow. Next, you're gonna put your wheels, you're gonna put your back wheels behind where the flat goes to transition. And the most important part of this is paying attention to getting your front wheels to land down the bank ramp. The front wheels need to land down the bank ramp, okay, into a gentle press, so that when you put your front wheels down, you need to combine into your pump, tuck down, and make sure that your pump matches the distance of the ramp. Good. Perfect. Ah, that was it. That was it.
Oh.
Try not to freak yourself out. Remember, gentle for now.
Okay.
Gentle for now, okay? That's it. Perfect. Take your deep breath. Remember, gentle. Gentle, then press. That's it. We're nice and relaxed. And notice for this, you don't have to lean your head over your front foot that much.
Okay.
You're kind of just, you're doing the same as on flat, because right when you stomp down, your board's gonna stall for a second until your back wheels go over the edge.
Yep.
Nice and gentle, big press. Perfect. Remember, make sure your knee pads are up good. They feel good on your knees. Start your drop in and then let your body drop to your knees and then lean back, okay? Try to do it faster so that you don't land so far down the ramp, okay? That's it, perfect. We're gonna do a little trick here.
Okay.
Whenever you start to learn this on a bank, I'm gonna slide your back wheels over the edge, okay? So back wheels are over the edge. Put just the balls of your foot on the tail. So look, when I stand here, check it out, watch. See how half of my foot's on the board?
Yeah.
Okay, the other half of my foot is on the ground.
Oh.
And now the secret to this is now when I push on the front, look.
Oh.
See, it holds me because I'm leaning my weight on my heel, okay? Because if I put my whole foot on here and then I tap, whoa, the whole skateboard moves, right? And then I almost fall. So go ahead, just half the foot. That's it, that's it. Because it honestly, it doesn't matter, because you're committing to go from your back foot to all your weight to your front foot and then into your pump, okay? So just try it again. Remember, lean forward. Ah, that's it, that's it. That's it. And this is the natural thing for everybody, right?
Yeah.
The second you start to lean forward, your brain says, nope, don't do that, lean backwards. But if you lean backwards, what happens?
It was just
Yeah, or you fall, right?
Yeah.
So slide those wheels over. Now the next thing for you is to lean the head over the front foot.
Okay.
Start to lean the head over the front foot before you slam down, okay? Like you're reaching for me. Lean, 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 stop. That was it, that was it. But you gotta commit to being on that board, okay? Try one more time. Lean, 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 lean. That's it. Yeah. Good, okay? Now add some confidence. Once you slam your front wheels down, into your pump. Bend those knees into your pump for extra stability. That's it. Woo! Dude, good job, man.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Ah, that was awesome.
Yeah, that's good.
Awesome.
That's good. And that back foot trick is awesome too, because
yeah.
it really holds your board where you want.
Yeah.
Good job. Hey, I'm proud of you, man. Feel good?
Yeah.
Awesome. Take your deep breath. Remember, into your pump. Drop into your pump. So that when you missed it, right?
Yeah.
and you stood up because you got scared.
Yeah.
And that's natural. Try it again. That's it. Big deep breath. Focus on dropping into your pump. Good. My back wheels go over the edge. Remember, I plant my foot. I get my feet, heels and toes matching.
Yeah.
I start to lean my head first. Look, leaning out, leaning my head over the nose, then tuck down into my front. That's it. Big deep breath, tucking. Good. Next thing, this is a 3.5 foot quarter pipe, okay? So back foot on first, front foot steps up by the coping, okay? Slide your back wheels over, that's it. Now, the most important part of this, you need to look out there and make sure you don't crash into anybody. Make sure you don't drop in and crash to somebody, okay? So take your deep breath, put your front foot up just behind the front bolts, start to lean forward and then tuck into your drop in. Ah, almost. So remember, you need to tuck into your pump in order to change direction, okay? So try it again. Tuck into your pump to change direction. Front foot goes up, start leaning. Yeah! Dude! Hey! Yes! Remember, hey, take your deep breath, look around. Forward. That's it, perfect. And as you build confidence with this, you'll start to snap out as the ramp goes to flat in the bottom. So remember, by snapping out, I mean, since you're bending down and tucking when you go down the ramp, this is a short ramp. So it's gonna get to the flat really quick, okay? So you need to stand up again to change direction because you're not going down anymore.
Yeah.
You're transitioning into flat. So when you stand up and snap your weight forward, that changes direction to go across the ground, okay? And you gain acceleration. Very good. Yeah, Chi. Dude, you're doing awesome, man.
Yeah.
Remember, big deep breath. Tuck into your pump. Ah. Hey, you can't learn without slamming.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this from the beginning. Go ahead, put your board down on the ground. Back foot goes on, front foot goes up. Slide it over. What's the most important part of this? Looking. Remember to look. Make sure you don't crash. Forward, tuck. Very good. Hey. Dude. Yeah. Good job, man. Seriously. Way to commit.
Yeah.
How'd it
Feel
feel?
good.
Feel good?
Feel very good.
Perfect, dude.
Yeah.
Stoked to hear it. Thanks, man.
Couldn't do it without you.
Ah, yeah, you can. Thank you. Next, we're at a 4.5 foot quarter pipe. And I chose this spot because there's no immediate obstacles right after you drop in. That way, if you lose your balance and you get thrown forward, you don't get tranny checked into the wall. So like if you do this in a mini ramp and you're learning to drop in, some people will stumble forward and slam into the next quarter pipe. So this way you have a lot of flat bottom and you can go into a knee slide if you panic. So remember, I want to see your back foot go on. Slide those wheels up and over. Remember, take your deep breath. Front foot goes up, and remember, forward. That's it. Yeah!
Yeah.
Dude, okay, so that one was good, but it was a little gentle, okay?
Yeah.
So the steeper the ramp, the more you have to slam down into it, okay? So focus on landing into a pump. It's best for you and for everybody watching and learning this that you want to hear your front wheels slam into the ramp, okay? That's a surefire way to know that you're getting your wheels down in time, okay? So the goal for this, let me see your board. The goal for this is for you to take your back foot off for me. When you drop in, you want your front wheels to touch down as soon as possible before you start rolling, okay? So take your deep breath. That's it. Feel better?
Yeah.
So much better.
Yeah.
Good job, man. Nice and relaxed. Back foot goes over. Remember to look. Remember to look because you get hyper focused on you and what you're doing. So take your deep breath. Look around. Make sure you don't run into anybody. Front foot goes up. Good. Ah, still rushed a little bit, right?
Yeah.
See? So again, take your time. Take your time. I know you're excited. You're doing fantastic. Nice big deep breath. And that big deep breath helps you feel the ramp as you drop in. Because again, I want you to pay attention to dropping in and snapping out as the ramp transitions to flat, okay? Big tuck. That's it. Good job, man. Good job. Good. Look at that. Learned how to drop in on a 4.5 foot quarter pipe today. Stoked.
Yeah.
Dude. Get it again. Remember to look, because look, he's coming over the... There you go. Okay. Nice deep breath. Into your tuck. Very good. Back foot goes on. Front foot goes up. I start looking, making sure I won't crash into anybody. I start leaning my head over my front foot first. Leaning, leaning, leaning. Stomp and pull. Dude, proud of you, man. Great job today.
Yeah.
Seriously, dude.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Yeah.
So stoked. Thank you very much. Awesome, man. I appreciate it.